very good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement. Oh, shooting chance! They've scored! Some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled. Well, that has certainly made things interesting.
زوم الدفاع شيء سكورن. ما يقع ريتنج كيس. أوكي واي.
Intercepts the throw, that's well read. Mbappe gets it, and now what? Kimmich with the slide tackle there.
Alonso لاعب.
And go again. Ronaldinho.
أنا هذا ما أسكت ملاك كان.
And here's Rashford. It's Mbappe! Sticks it away! Relief, finally! Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that. Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance. Goes for goal! Ah, he's given it away. Turns and goes back.
Yeah.
Ronaldinho. Got a shot away. They are rampant. And already they're looking to run away with it. That really was a thing of beauty, curled in effortlessly. You know what was notable in that, Peter, was the fact that he didn't try to blast it. He chose placement instead and delivered a peach. 3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. Just brushed off the ball there. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence. Mbappe! And he should have made it 4. Well positioned to make that interception. Marco Verratti. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Messi.
Told me.
Mbappe. Messi. Good ball. It has a pop. They've done it.
حارس ماشان كان بأفريقيا.
They are in danger of disappearing out of sight.
Paris
Saint-Germain are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
أفرطن دق أفرع كلها وكلا جرا.
12 سنة.
ها ولد
تبدي نور.
كان 10
يعني 10. رياه. إذا هو مش إن شاء الله.
بحب قالوا